chicos and chicas, welcome back to the Cotton Candy Girls YouTube channel. Yay! Today we have a very exciting episode. So we're not doing any boxing today. We're gonna be doing a fun DIY craft, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm doing today. So it's gonna includes cute Sanrio characters. So we got Pum Pum Pidum, so cute, and I gotta show his backside because look at that. He's so cute. And we also got cinnamon roll. Love cinnamon roll. Looks so cute too. I did get these at Five Below and they were really hard to get my hands on. And unfortunately, I did not get Hello Kitty, which I'm super sad about. But it's okay. Maybe I'll get her soon. But yeah, they're only like $3.25, so they're like a good price. And then I also got my Melody. She looks so cute too. They had another one. I can't remember what other characters they got, but this is the three that I got. We're gonna be making a wreath today, so I'm gonna include these Sanrio characters on our cute wreath. I did also get this at Five Below too. So yeah, I'm just gonna like kind of spread these guys out real quick. So yeah, we're gonna add these cute Sanrio characters to our wreath. And some other things I also did to add more to the empty space is these cute flowers. I did get them at the Dollar Tree. Cute. So yeah, little red flowers. You could do whatever colors you like, but these are the colors I got today. Some red and some white. And then, so yeah, our characters over here. I'm like gonna try to spread them out, so maybe kind of like two at the bottom and Pum Pum Pidum at the top. I also did get some ornaments. So yeah, this is totally whatever color scheme you're trying to go for, but I'm trying mostly red and white and silver. So I did get these at Daiso too, so I got these at the Dollar Tree, wherever you want, whatever color scheme you want to go for. To add to more extra space, I did get this red garland thing. I got this at Dollar Tree as well. So yeah, just to add to make it like super extra. And I didn't get the Hello Kitty of these ones, which I mentioned I was super sad about, but I did get this ornament. She's so cute. This is also from Five Below too. They had the other characters, but I mostly wanted Hello Kitty just for the fact that I didn't get Hello Kitty in the plushie form. So this is going right on my Christmas tree. So cute. So yeah, and what else you're gonna need for this today too? I'm gonna be using a nail glue to put most of the stuff on here. I might just tie up these plushies because I don't really want to put hot glue on my plushie, you know what I mean? I don't know how that's gonna do, so let's not do that. Alrighty, so let's get started. I'm gonna start setting everything up on my garland and start gluing them. Alrighty, so yeah, we're gonna start with our wreath, which I had really trouble saying. Okay, so wreath, you know, a holiday Christmas wreath. So I did find this Five Below. I kind of spread them out a little bit because it looked like super tight, but now that I spread it out, I can add so much stuff to the greenery right here. So yeah, we got a Pum Pum Pidum, and I'm gonna add him first. I did also mention, or I want to mention, I bought these too. These are totally, I feel like, good way to tie up some of my little plushies right here, so I don't mess them up. So yeah, I'm just gonna twist this guy up. Under his arm. Okay, so this is what it's gonna look like, and I don't really have to ruin him too much, and I'm gonna tie this on the garland so he stays. Okay. It's not perfect, but it looks fine. I'm gonna take this part off because it's the tag. Tie him up a little bit tighter. Alright, that's That's our dude right there. Looking pretty cute. Okay, and then let's get my Melody out. I did tie her up already. I probably should have done that for all of them, but it's okay. I'm gonna take her tag off. So cute! Like, look at the little... Oh, it's so cute. Yeah, I was really surprised about the price of these because they're only $3.25. Like, I was expecting like at least $5, but they're super hard to get your hands on them. If you can get your hands on these at Five Below, I highly recommend it. I did buy 2 of them online. I was supposed to get all of them online, but when I went to check out, like, they didn't even have them anymore, so I'm glad I got 2 of them at least. And then I found cinnamon roll in the wild, so it worked out though. Put our cute homegirl on there. We got both our homies on there. Alright, and then the last character we got today is Cinnamon Roll. Cinnamon Roll is probably like my second favorite Sanrio character, just because his birthday is in March and my birthday's in March too, so fun. That's so fun. Fun fact that Cotton Candy Girlies, both of our birthdays are in March. Funny enough, and that's pretty cool. So I'm excited to celebrate in March. We can celebrate both of our birthdays and do some fun stuff together. Okay, we got Cimarol and his little choker. Cute. And then I'm gonna put this guy on our wreath. I just feel like if I had got my Hello Kitty plushie I was supposed to get in this style, she would fit perfect right here. Maybe I can still find her and update our wreath. Alright, got cinnamon roll on there, a little bit tighter. Alrighty chicos, so we did get our cuties on here, our little buddies, and now I'm gonna be gluing on these cute cheapy little green dollar flowers. So yeah, they come in a bunch like this and you could just pop them off. Like, super easy. And then I'm just gonna glue these parts like on our wreath, and I think they're gonna look so cute together, so let's do it. Forget like a glue gun leaves like web, it feels like. Which is like kind of fun but then kind of annoying, but oh well. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe. We have a lot of fun stuff planned for the future. We do a lot of fun unboxing videos, and we also do some DIYs. Especially since it's the holidays, I do feel like we gotta do a fun DIY that's holiday themed. So yeah, I'm just continuing to glue these flowers. I'm starting off with the bigger ones because I feel like the bigger ones take up the most space, and then I'll kind of build around it. Yeah, I got red flowers, and then I did get some really small white ones too. So much fun. They look so cute. Oops. I'm assuming that these are falling into place, right? Like the glue gun. I think it was the best kind of glue for this project today. It's coming along very cute. Where are these more white flowers? got some flowers, and I'm gonna do some final touching, so let's go. Alrighty, we're gonna add some ornaments to fill up the spaces. Yeah, so I got these cute little silver ones. I was kind of playing around with it right now and trying to see if this was a better option to use these little pipe cleaners and put it in there, or just use a hot glue gun. But I think a hot glue gun is just gonna be a little bit easier for me. I don't plan on removing them, so I think we're gonna test it out. I think it's okay. On there because I want it to stay and not go anywhere. But yeah, this DIY project is a pretty affordable. I probably spent under 20 bucks for everything. Like, each of the characters was $3.25 at Five Below, $3.25 at Five Below for the wreath as well. And then I got flowers from the Dollar Tree, which were $1.25 or something like that now. And then ornaments. Oh yeah, not that bad, and it's really cute. Like, I don't see anything like this. Like a Sanrio Wreath. Like, they don't have that. And we gotta make it. It's looking so cute. I think I'm gonna be so extra and maybe use all of these just to be super extra, because that's what Christmas is all about, you know what I mean? Being extra and having fun. So yeah, if you guys haven't liked this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Show us that you guys like what we're putting out there. And if you have any suggestions for more things that we should do, totally leave us a comment. Let us know what stuff you want to see, like unboxing or Sanrio DIYs. Yeah, and thanks for watching. Alrighty, chicos and chicas, we are almost done. I did add the garland to our wreath just to add more extra pizzazz. So I'm gonna give you guys a closer look at our DIY wreath. It is so cute. I love it. Yeah, super inexpensive, and hopefully things that you can find in your area at Five Below and Dollar Tree. But thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Make sure to like and subscribe and to stay tuned for our future videos. Hope you guys like this video. Please comment your favorite Sanrio character, because I would like to know. Hello Kitty is my #1, Cinnamoroll #2. So, alright guys, thank you so much. Bye.